Planning shifts and keeping track of coverage can take time, especially when schedules change during the week. One of the most common challenges in daily operations is knowing who is scheduled, who is working, and where coverage is needed. The scheduling component in mobohubb helps managers and supervisors plan shifts, keep track of coverage, and understand how their team's time is organized. From the web portal, supervisors can create shifts, assign employees, and quickly see who is working, who is off, and where coverage may be missing. This makes it easier to prevent overlaps, detect overtime risks, and adjust schedules before problems affect operations. Once schedules are published, employees receive their shifts directly in the app, so they always know when and where they are assigned. This reduces confusion, missed shifts, and the need for constant calls or messages. Because schedules connect with clock-in, GPS, and reports, supervisors can compare planned hours with actual activity and maintain a clear record of attendance and work completed. Using scheduling helps teams stay organized, improve coverage, and make daily operations easier to manage.